Hey guys, welcome to Kaushik Blogs on the latest episode on Mac using VoiceOver. So, this is Kaushik Blogs.
Desktop.
So, yesterday we learned keyboard orientation on Mac with VoiceOver. Now, to get started with VoiceOver, what we should do and few basic information on Mac. So, quickly, let's dive into the video. Now, so turn on VoiceOver, Command F5. To turn off, Command F5. As simple as that. So hold Command next to the space bar and hold and press F5.
VoiceOver
Oh my
off.
God, VoiceOver is off. Now what to do? Again press Command F5. Here
VoiceOver
we go.
on. Screen.
So VoiceOver on. So now I'm in the desktop. So Mac has four parts on the display. One is Apple menu. Right side is status bar. Mid part is desktop and down is dock. I love Apple menu because it's similar to the menu bar in Windows. You can, if you are using any application, Apple menu, if you explore that, you will master Mac within, I don't know, you guys have to learn it. So I learned in 6 months. Now I'm efficient in Mac. I'm happy to say that due to some resources and other trainer. So now, here we go. So now, Apple menu is at left. How to go? Vivo M. When I say Vivo, it's not mobile. Vivo means control option. No. Option control. No, wait. Both are same. Yeah. So option control M or caps lock key modified. It's already for VoiceOver. And latest Macs. So Vivo M.
Apple
So
menu.
if you go right, you can go to Finder menu,
Finder
File
menu. File menu.
Edit menu,
Edit menu.
View menu,
View menu.
Go
menu.
Window menu,
Window menu.
Help menu, and
Help
press
menu.
escape.
Search
This is the
results.
last.
Interactive. Desktop. Empty.
Okay,
Group.
so my desktop is empty. So now this is how you can go to Apple menu bar. You can go down in each menu bar to explore. So Vivo M to Apple menu and go down, you find About this Mac, App Store, Settings. These are all self-explanatory. So now, how to go to status bar. Vivo double M. Come on, let's bang M now.
Status menus.
So
Status
same.
menus. Ops.
Remember one thing, whenever you are navigating on Mac using VoiceOver, 90% you have to hold Vivo key and right and left arrow. So right and left arrow are the main key navigational keys when you're navigating in Mac. Remember this? Every time down arrow will not work, up arrow will not work, but right arrow, left arrow always work for you. So yeah, let's go. Vivo right.
Audio and video
Because I'm
controls.
using VoiceOver.
Status menu.
OBS Studio.
VOC. Status menu.
Yeah.
Focus. Status menu.
Focus.
Wi-Fi. Connected. 3 bars. Status
Yeah,
menu.
Wi-Fi connected.
49%. Battery. Status menu.
14% battery.
Search. Spotlight.
This is
Status menu.
Spotlight.
Search. Control center.
Control center. So press escape. So this is how
Finder.
you
Desktop.
have to navigate. So now it just keep on telling what is Finder, what is Finder. You might having a doubt, but let's know what about desktop. Desktop is a desktop, so nothing to explain much. So here if you connect your SSD, it will be showing here. But a recommendation from a lot of Mac users of VoiceOver says don't keep much items in the desktop. In fact, any item in the desktop. Now how to go to dock. How to go to dock? That's a good question. So hold Vivo and D for dock. Vivo shift D for desktop, Vivo D for dock.
Dock. Finder open 1 of 4. Actions available.
So dock. So now how to navigate here? You can navigate through right arrows also.
Ops open 2 of 4. Actions
What
available.
are the apps recently opened will appear here.
Trash 4 of 4.
You cannot remove trash here.
Finder open 1 of 4.
So
Actions available.
Finder. So we are back to the Finder. So we learned how to go to dock, how to go to desktop, how to go to Apple menu, how to go to status menu. So I said vice versa. I have not said in order. So let's say it in order. Apple menu Vivo M, status bar Vivo double M, and desktop Windows D. Oh, come on, guys. I'm kidding. Vivo Shift D. So that's what I said. First, Mac users, try to migrate to Mac as quickly as possible. Now, what about dock? I know this. Control Option D or Vivo D. Look at that. Both are same. Don't get confused. So this is how I learned Mac, by funny way and by happily. And now I'm very, very self-efficient on Mac. So yeah. So now we understood the layout. So now let's go to desktop again. Vivo Shift D.
Desktop.
And simple keystrokes, few more I'll tell you. So to switch between the applications, same command. So Command Tab. So it's OBS Studios. So to move back, Command Shift Tab. So what is Finder? It's like your Files app on your iPhone. Similarly, but it's the heart and soul of the Mac. So if you want anything you can do in Finder is file folder management. So in coming videos, we'll discuss about Finder more. Few videos are also available, but let's make some videos on Finder. And hope you guys are liking my videos. So today we understood getting to know VoiceOver, and we understood the Apple layout, and we understood how to go to Apple menu. We understood how to go to status menu. We understood how to go to desktop and dock. So we will understand these topics in detail in the coming videos. So thanks for watching Kaushik Blogs, and stay tuned for more videos on Mac. And do like, share, comment if you like our videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.